Hello, today I will show you a strategy that will help you pass your first prop firm account. The strategy is very easy to use, so it suits not only the intermediate traders but also the beginners. Asia range sweep and inverse fair value gaps. So for the pairs, I backtested this strategy and it works the best on eurusd, GBPUSD and AUDUSD. For the direction, make sure to include in your analysis daily bias and higher time frame order flow. For the daily bias, if you don't know how to form your daily bias, make sure to watch the video that I've uploaded last week about the easiest daily bias method. And also, I will make an order flow video soon, so if you're interested in this topic, make sure to subscribe to not miss my upload. For the time, the best time to enter in this type of trades is kill zones and preferably at 1 hour candle open. So like first 15 minutes of every hour. Now liquidity, identify and mark buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity and the Asia range. Entry model, 5 minute inverse fair value gap and entry after sweep and closing above the sweep line. I will show you an example soon if you don't understand. Stop loss above or below the swing point. Target 2 or 3 hour fixed or draw on liquidity, depends how advanced you are. But for the beginners, I would suggest to have a fixed stop loss. Okay, I will now show you some examples of these trades on the charts. Okay, so in this case, we mark the Asia range liquidity right here and right here. And now we wait for it to be swept. Okay, let's see if it closes above now. Okay, it closed above. Now we mark the inverse fair value gaps. So the first one would be here. And the second one would be here. So you can enter either on this one or on this one, but this one would give a higher RR. So I will enter from the lower one. And there also is an order block right here. Stop loss below the swing low and target, for example, the Asia range high, because it's a draw on liquidity. And let's now see if we get tagged. Okay, we got tagged. Now let's see how the trades goes. As you can see, there was another opportunity to enter right here and on this fair value gap. Okay, we came back to this order block. Okay, we're in profits now. Take profit. Now let's see if we can trade it downwards, because it's also an Asia range sweep. So let's go to the 5 minute. Okay, here it would be a inverse fair value gap. And we would get tagged right here. And let's tag the low. Okay, another TP. So you can see how crazy this strategy is. You could literally get 2 trades in a span of like 2 hours. And let's go to another example right now. Okay, another example. So let's mark the Asian low and high. And let's see now what it does. Okay. Let's see. Do we have an inverse fair value gap? We don't. Okay. We still do not have an inverse fair value gap on the 5 minute. Okay. Now we have 2. So the first one is here. And the second tiny one is right here. So as you can see, the momentum is pretty big. So there are 2 options, either to set the limit order here or here. Let's see which one works, or do both work. And let's target Asia low. Let's go to the lower time frame now. Okay, we got tagged on this one. Okay, and we got TP, so we would delete this order. You can see how accurate this is. If you want to learn more crazy strategies, including my personal strategy that helped me reach 7 figures in funding capital, make sure to check the first link in the description. The monthly sub is literally less than any video game, but it could literally change your life. If you enjoy my content, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.